Hi Shekhar, good morning. How are you doing this day?
Hi, good morning. I'm good, Anushree. How are you?
Good. So first of all, the theme of GITEX 2016 is reimagining realities, right? And Emitac, as we all know, has just gone a massive rebranding. So how is Emitac reimagining reality this GITEX?
I think it's all about how we digitally transform ourselves into the new world altogether. I think that's the best theme what Jitex has got this year as well. We at Emitac have thought about it very clearly with the new leadership under Tony Allen. It's been done very well, and we have to rebrand because we have to stay competitive in the market. We understand that it is very important to move ahead with the technology and the newer platforms which is coming in into the market. So it has given a fresh breath into the organization with the rebranding, and the way we look at it is completely very positive about it, and we see a greater future with the digital transformation and with Emitac's rebranding strategy as well.
So talking about Emitac's wide portfolio of services, right? Like, are you focusing on any particular what you call application or any particular service part of that?
Yeah, we at Emitac, I would probably put it across as a one-stop shop for every single technology need in the market. So Emitac, as we all know about it, it's a 40-year-old organization, been into infrastructure business for quite some time, and now slowly moving across to the solution providing organization as such. So I belong to the Microsoft business unit. We pretty much focus on every single aspect of Microsoft business technologies inside. So we got four major workloads with cloud infrastructure, licensing, business productivity, and Microsoft business solutions. So when we talk about Microsoft business solutions as such, where I head the practice there, it's all about how we transform the customers' digital imagination and the dreams. So that's where the end-to-end Microsoft Business Solutions portfolio would play a major role within Emitac as such.
And coming to the specifically cloud, Emitac Cloud has been launched, and customers have been giving a very good answers to it, and they are like actually trusting the cloud also. So coming to the entire application and ERP market, what do you think? Like, where is the market going towards, and how has been the response so far for the ERP market?
I think it is very clear that it's moving towards cloud, and I'm very glad to look at the adoption of cloud in the Middle East markets as such. We cannot go and compare with the US and the European markets. However, there is a great adoption to Microsoft Cloud as well as Microsoft Azure platform. Now, take an example Microsoft Dynamics CRM. CRM offers both on premise as well as the online offering to the market. We see a greater potential wherein the Microsoft Online is picking up really well. And we've got quite a bit of customers, early adopters of Microsoft Cloud within Emitac portfolio itself. I see a greater potential going forward with Microsoft Cloud as well as Emitac's cloud offering in the market.
And if you have to highlight any key, what you call a flexibility or scalability that your cloud offers, like if you can highlight two or three key points of that, what would those be?
All right, see, we've got a dedicated managed services practice which is coming in within Emitac itself. That's going to be the USP for us because we're going to have our own cloud wherein we provide the value add to the customer. For instance, when we start implementing an ERP or a CRM project, it needs a lot of investment from the customer as well as partners like us at Emitac. So what we are trying to do here is pretty much focusing on the customer and giving the value to the customer. For instance, we host the complete solution on our data center for the customer and try and test it out at Emitac's data center. So that gives a leverage to the customer in terms of shortening their investment and expanding the portfolio within the organization, which would help them to transform into the digital era very easily. That's one of the primary focus at Emitac, building our own data center in the region, right? So that's number one. And number two, looking at Microsoft Azure as a platform itself, we got various offering coming in. It's not just Emitac is providing the platform as such. We are one of the leading solution providers on cloud itself. So we got dozen odd customers who are running on Microsoft Azure. So that's a platform offering along with the technology consulting is what we are looking at going forward. So it's going to be a consulting plus the technology enablement is what Emitac is going to look at way forward.
So what's your action plan for the coming 4 days now?
Next 4 days, it's going to be completely packed with our customers. We got a lot of customers coming in and talking to us. So we're going to give them a lot of insights on Microsoft Dynamics portfolio itself. starting from Microsoft Dynamics ERP, CRM, social engagement, marketing, as well as field service, etc. So that's going to be our primary focus, and we've got a session on 19th on how retail enablement can be done through Microsoft Dynamics along with Emitac service offering. So that's going to be the key take home from Jitex for our customers.
Thank you so much, Shekhar, and we wish you all the best.